How to cancel Sling TV on Roku. I'm going to show you how to quickly cancel your Sling TV subscription right from your Roku device. First, press the home button on your Roku remote control and scroll to Sling TV in your channel list. Next, press the star button on your remote control to open the options menu. Select Manage Subscription and then choose Cancel Subscription. Roku will confirm your cancellation, so just follow through the prompts and select Cancel Subscription again to finalize. But if you subscribe through the Sling TV website, you'll need to cancel by logging into your account at sling.com and just go to Settings and Manage Account from there. And that's it. Your subscription will stay active until the end of your billing cycle.